After doing maintenance completely for the control valve, we will online it as normal. Today I would like to introduce how to online the control valve after maintenance. For example, we have this system and we need to online the control valve CV1 which is used to control process S1. We will follow these steps. Step 1. Online the instrument air for the control valve CV1. Step 2. Fully close the control valve CV1. Step 3. Line up block valves V2 and V3 to fully open. Step 4. The panel operator, who works in the control room, will slowly open the control valve CV1. During this time, panel operator will request field operator to slowly close the block valve V1 to keep S1 in the stable condition. Step 5. Panel operator slowly opens the control valve CV1 until bypass valve V1 can fully close. Step 6. Switch S1 from manual to auto to active the controller. Step 7. Panel operator will monitor conditions after switching S1 to auto mode.
Please apply it for another case. Thank you for your watching video. If you feel this video is useful, please subscribe to my channel.